All right. Good morning, everyone. My computer wants to keep updating, and I'm saying no, we're going to do it later. Hi. I'm Lindsay Radzik, for those of you that don't know me, and I'm excited to just give a quick training this morning for your Living to Be business. Facebook Lives are just a great way for people to get to know you, for you to get to share a little piece of who you are, to get to share your brand with others. And it's a proven fact that videos create more engagement than just a regular post. So I've been reaching out to a few of our business partners and just kind of asking, what would you like to learn more about? And Facebook Lives is definitely something that keeps coming up. Now, Facebook Lives can be very scary, right? Because of that word live, lights, camera, action, you're live and you're sharing something with you never know how many people. So it's important to be prepared. I think preparation is key. Right now, we have this fun and exciting time with our 12 Days of Christmas where you can share a special promotion about one of our products every single day. I posted a couple videos the other day. Quite a few of us have done the same. And today we actually have our Perfection Cream. This is probably one of my most favorite products. So if you are wanting to go live, today would be a really great day to start. And I think a lot of times we're so worried about how we're going to come off. Oh my gosh, I don't want them to think I'm just on Facebook for my business. I don't want them to think that I'm just going live to make money. Where are your intentions? If your intentions are to share an incredible message with people about how one product can do multiple things to better their complexion, better their skin tone, which in turn could improve their confidence and their esteem about themselves, not to mention the fact that you're educating them and then they can pass that on to others and help impact others. What's our message here? It's hope, right? Helping others prosper eternally. That's all we're doing, is we're carrying a message forward. And if you feel like there's that elephant in the room, lead with that. Guys, I haven't gone live yet. I've been scared. I didn't want to go live because I've never known what to share or what to talk about. But today I got this email from my company and we have this really awesome promotion. It's our Perfection Cream. This is like the workhorse of our entire line. It's going to do for your skin whatever it is that you need done. Let's see, it helps smooth the appearance of expression lines. It helps lighten skin tone and improve complexion. It provides antioxidant benefits. Everyone knows what antioxidants can do, how powerful and rich they are. It also is going to moisturize and hydrate the skin. This is the time of year where we need it most, right? So today my company's offering it at a 33% discount off of wholesale. And I just wanted to come on here live, share this information with you. If you think you could benefit in any way, comment below, message me, let's chat, because this is such an incredible offer. This product has totally changed my complexion. It's rebuilt my self-esteem and my confidence, and I'm so excited to put it out here for each and every one of you. Talk about it. Talk about the fact that you've never gone live before and that this is your first time, but you felt so compelled because of your excitement. Now, outside of our promotions, if you want to go live and build your audience, prepare yourself on what you want your message to be and make sure that it is under 5 minutes, because I think 3 minutes is perfect for a live. Anything more than 5 minutes, I feel like you're going to start to lose people. So before you go live, make sure you identify your message, what it is that you want to talk about. I've done some lives where I've prepared some quick and healthy snacks. I've done some lives where I've talked about parenting. I've done some lives where I've talked about personal growth. Just think about the message that you want to share with people, because no matter what it is that you want to talk about, there are people who will benefit. And it's going to make you so relatable. And if you mess up, guess what? You become even more relatable, right? Because we're not perfect. And every live that you do gives you a chance to gain a little more wisdom, a little more comfort, and just to continue to grow and better yourself as a leader. So, message is short and sweet today. These Facebook Lives are such an incredible way for you to build your audience, for you to share your brand, who you are with other people. Just remember that it's an infomercial and you want to just have a ton of information when you're sharing on separate occasions. You don't want to just be all business. You know, we have the promotion today. Yes, that's something, it's a great way for you to get started with your lives, is just to go on and share your message of this incredible, insane promotion that your company's offering. You don't want anyone to miss out. You know, everybody doesn't see your posts, so you want to come on here live and just make sure that everyone is going to hear your message, but also make a list of other things that you want to talk about. You know, things that have a lot of meaning to you. Maybe you pay attention to some of the posts in your news feed and you see some people who are looking for guidance on certain things that you have knowledge about. Or maybe you feel like you want to share something about your journey that you think other people could benefit from. Just be authentic, be you. Know that anything that you share will definitely create an impact for many, many people. So if you have questions, if you want me to break down anything else on the Facebook Lives, you know where to find me. Have an amazing day, you guys. 33% off on our Perfection Cream. This is insane. I'm stocking up because this is one of my favorites. You guys have a great day, okay?